Hey there, bonfire enthusiasts. As the crisp autumn air settles in and the night sky fills with fireworks magic, it's bonfire night. Families and friends gather to enjoy a roaring fire and dazzling displays while ensuring safety. Let's discuss bonfire safety. Choosing the right location is crucial. Ensure your bonfire is far from trees, fences, and flammable materials. A safe distance of 60 feet from structures is recommended. Check local regulations for compliance on bonfire size and location. After choosing the spot, build your bonfire using a pyramid shape with dry, seasoned wood for minimal smoke and steady burning. Avoid gasoline or accelerants, as they can cause dangerous flare-ups. Use natural fire starters like kindling or fire lighters. Now, fireworks. Purchase from reputable sources meeting safety standards. Read and follow instructions before lighting. Maintain a safe distance, light at arm's length with a taper. If a firework doesn't go off, never return to it, it could be dangerous. While setting off fireworks, keep a bucket of water or a hose nearby for quick action on small fires. Remember, alcohol and fireworks don't mix. Stay sober and focus when handling fireworks for everyone's safety. Sparklers, though fun, burn at high temperatures, up to 2000 degrees Celsius. Supervise children with sparklers, ensuring they hold them at arm's length and wear gloves. Have a bucket of sand or water ready to extinguish sparklers safely. Don't forget pets. Bonfire night can stress them due to loud noises and bright lights. Keep pets indoors in a quiet, secure area where they feel comfortable. Playing calming music can help drown out the fireworks noise. Be considerate of neighbors, especially the elderly or those with young children. Inform them of your plans to prevent surprises from the noise. Creating a safe, enjoyable environment for everyone is key. A safe bonfire night is a fun bonfire night. By taking these precautions, you ensure everyone can enjoy the celebrations without unwanted incidents. Gather loved ones, light up the sky, and make unforgettable memories. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips to make your seasonal celebrations safe and spectacular. Wishing you a wonderful and safe bonfire night.